Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video you see Mr. Tabby, Mr. White. The Ginger Tom did come and went but didn't really come on camera, just came for food but you didn't pick it up. There's also a hedgehog that's there as well. I've circled it in a few videos just to help and put an arrow. And in the end of the footage, we've got a surprise visitor. The hedgehog brought its family today, and I've caught it on camera. So enjoy the video, guys. Lots to see here. Also, I haven't seen a squirrel for a few days, but I have been told it's in the garden and it has been seen. So I think it's just not been caught on camera, but happy watching. Enjoy the video. Got a visitor. I was in the garden pulling some strawberries and I found the hedgehog. Happy visiting. Hi guys. You'll never guess what I just stumbled across. I was just saying there was no hedgehog. And guess what? It's Mr. Hedgehog. The hedgehog's arrived. There he is. Enjoy the video. Hi guys. Today's adventures. This is a female, I think, or a male. And then round the side of this fence, just under there, there's a baby. But that is definitely either a male or a female. I'm suggesting possibly female at this point. If anybody can tell me, feel free. But that is the back end of its foot. And its back end there. But yeah, female hedgehog. Or male, whichever. Right, I'm just going to go, I don't want to step on it. That's why I've got the light on. I'm going to get something crawling up my leg. Whereabouts did it go? And that's what worries me. I'm going to step on it.
Well, it'll only go there. It can't get out any other way because you've got your bloody netting up against thing, aren't you?
Yeah, for a reason. Sandra.
You're preventing them from getting out of the garden.
No, I'm not. I don't see it. Being read somewhere. Hi guys, in this footage you will see different birds flying around. I think there's a lot of adults feeding young. I did see a robin but didn't manage to get it on camera. This footage was done by myself, so you will see if you look carefully there is a magpie and there is a seagull and some other birds, adult birds, flying back and forth, and you can hear them in the background. Enjoy the video! Music on these videos now because I got a copyright strike the other day and it was YouTube's music that they use on editing, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for this one, so enjoy the video. As you can see, pigeon came, magpie came, hanging onto the cane, which is really funny. I did see a magpie come over yesterday. It looked a bit bedraggled and battered, like being got by a cat or something. But today and last night we had baby magpie visit as well, so mum, dad and baby. As you can see in this video footage, there is a baby there, and the pigeons are also bringing their young, which is very interesting. Happy watch.